How to find nearby Snapchat users. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera. So on the bottom part, you will see the location icon beside the chat icon. So just tap on that. And here it will actually give you the map where you are. And if you zoom in a little bit, you will see these blue spots there. Those are actually Snapchat user who actually share their location. And if you try to, let's say, just tap on that blue part, you will see the person's face and you will be able to send a snap to that person. You can actually add that person. So if it doesn't show like that, you may want to go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat here and tap on that. And if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if it's updated, you can go back and do the tutorial again. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.